Hello people. Well, here's another artificial grass clean, and to say this was a challenge is an understatement, because the weeds and the growth and plants even were quite substantial, to say the least, as you can see from the video here. So best thing I can do is get the Hyundai sucker out and get up all the loose debris. This was a bit of a challenge in itself because the mulcher was playing up a bit, but managed to get through it, got all the loose stuff up, and from there all I have to do now is dig the rest of it out, and there isn't a tool for that, so it's by hand, which was fun, we'll say. With that, then I'll hoover up all the rest of the loose stuff that's there and then treat all the edges so as weeds don't come back. Then I've got the artificial grass sweeper on it. This will fluff up all the grass lovely, as you can see there, and that also sucks the rest of the debris up that's in the matting itself as well. And because that doesn't get to the edges, I've got a battery powered power broom, so I go over it with that as well, which also fluffs it up and flicks up anything else that's loose there and gets right to the edges. Then finally I go over it with a pet sanitizer and give it a good old spray, and this will break down any pet smells or anything in there. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.